guys, we're here at the Rubin Compost Community Center. My name is Dolores and we're going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day experiment. So what we're going to need is some baking soda, some vinegar, some glitter, some food coloring, and some coins. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick what color you want for your fizzing cauldron. So I'm going to use green to keep with the St. Patrick's Day theme. So because my cauldron is a little bit bigger, I'm going to do like 7 squirts, and then we're going to add our baking soda to it. So it's going to be kind of like a volcano experiment. So I'm going to be using, I'd say about 7 spoons. And it's okay if we make a mess. Well, I guess it depends on your parents. So we're gonna do 7 spoons, and then we're going to add some glitter. Ooh, this is a nice color. A little bit of glitter to it. And then, just to see, we're gonna add some glitter coins. And then for your vinegar, if you want to use it a little bit easier, you can add it to a water bottle. And then we're gonna start adding it in so we can see the reaction. Alright, so we see the chemical reaction that baking soda had with our coins. Show us what colors you guys used, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.